What's happening, everyone? This is Phil with ThinkMakeDo, and today we're doing a walkthrough of our upstairs apartment on our triplex renovation. Now let's turn you around here. And as you can see, most of the demolition that we need is already done in preparation for improvements to framing, electrical, plumbing, and gas. Now, this is currently a one-bedroom apartment, and we are going to split it into two-bedroom because this is such a large space. This is almost 1,000 square feet in a near perfect square shape. So, a couple things that we are going to do. This main wall here going down the center is load bearing and it is supporting the roof. However, we are going to extend some closets off of it to make more room in the bedrooms. Now, the line for the closets are going to be about 30 inches off from the wall here, I would say, going straight down, and that leaves plenty of room still in the living room for whatever you want to do. It's still going to be a really nice big living room. Now, this will maintain its structural rigidity. We are going to build 4 by 8 foot headers at the top here to maintain that load bearing weight, and that's going to work out pretty well. Let's go into the bedroom here. Now, the door used to be here, and this used to be a pocket door. So pocket door here, and then they framed in a regular door. That's really wonky, so we're actually going to close this wall up and make this entrance right here the door, or this entrance right here the door, and we're going to put that one to rest. Now, we're actually extending the bathroom out, but I'll get to that. Anyway, in the bedroom, we're going to frame a wall right down the center here where the middle of that window exists today. That means the window is going to get framed around, I guess, or framed over. We're going to remove the window, add in structural support, plaster on the exterior to match the rest of the exterior plaster, and then we're going to frame a new window here to meet code, and then replace this window over there for this bedroom to have an exit point. Now, the door for this second bedroom is going to go right here. So you'll have an entryway here into the living room, and then this section here will be the closet. All right. Obviously, we're going to have to add new lighting for electrical and then cover that gang box hole up, but we'll get to there. Now, the bathroom. Like I was saying before, we are going to extend the wall of the bathroom out to about here, allowing us to get a full-size 48-inch vanity coming across this way, potentially even dual sink. Toilet is going to stay here in the corner, and we used to have a bathtub that ran perpendicular here to the wall. Well, we're going to update the plumbing and flip it so it's parallel to the wall, so it's sitting this way, right? There is going to be a small door allowing you as a walkway through here into the section that's considered the bathroom, and we are going to wall off this section with the door, making this space a laundry area, right? So that'll be kind of walled off from the rest of the kitchen, and that means that two people can be using the restroom at the same time, different from a traditional one bedroom or one bathroom where only one person can use the bathroom at the same time. And that's because there's going to be a wall here with a door separating access to the tub, and a door on that side allowing access and entry to the tub area as well as the laundry at the same time. We think that will be a better situation for this two-bedroom up in this apartment, and it also gives us an isolated space to put that washer dryer. Now, when you have a wall sitting here, the kitchen used to be based on this corner right here. So you had your sink, stove, and you had some cabinets up here and some cabinets here, and there used to be a hot water heater right here on this floor. Now, that really did not work out very well. The heater leaked everywhere into the interior of the home. It really was not ideal. So we are turning this into a galley style kitchen. So you're gonna have one side of cabinets in your refrigerator on this side, and we're gonna move the plumbing over to this side for your sink, dishwasher, and cabinets and counter space. Anyway, I'm gonna put this all together in SketchUp, or maybe I already have and kind of followed you along with the walkthrough. Hopefully you thought that was a cool way to show what the potential of the space could be, and you'll be along for us on the ride to see it turn from, well, this into something nicer. I hope you guys are enjoying the build series. I'm having a lot of fun making it. If you could and you like the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.